यो हेरौं सधैँको लागि once and for all यो झगडालाई सधैँको लागि अन्त्य गरौं Let's end this quarrel once and for all Let's end this quarrel once and for all Quarrel झगडा Let's end this quarrel once and for all तपाई सधैँको लागि नेपाल आउनु भएको हो Have you come to Nepal once and for all? Have you come to Nepal once and for all? एकदमै एक्लो अथवा एक्लै all alone म यो संसारमा एकदमै एक्लो छु I'm all alone in this world I'm all alone in this world. अर्को वाक्य म एक्लै बस्छु तर कहिल्यै एक्लो महसुस गर्दिन I live all alone but I never feel lonely. I live all alone but I never feel lonely. Alone भनेको एक्लै lonely भनेको एक्लो I live all alone, but I never feel lonely. अर्को पनि हेरौं त्यो ठूलो घरमा उनी एक्लै बस्छिन् She lives all alone in that large house. She lives all alone in that large house. उनले यो सबै एक्लै गरे He did it all alone. He did it all alone. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. अगाडि बढौं नराम्ररी रिसाउनु अथवा धेरै रिसाउनु resent तिनीहरूले मेरो सफलताको धेरै नै रिस गर्छन् They resent my success. They resent my success. Success सफलता. They resent my success. के उनलाई म यहाँ भएकोमा रिस उठ्छ? Does she resent my being here? Does she resent my being here? अंगालो हाल्नु embrace उसले उनलाई अंगालो हाल्यो उसले उनलाई अंगालो हाल्यो He embraced her उसले उनलाई अंगालो हाल्यो उनले बस स्टेशनमा उनीहरूलाई अंगालो हालेको देखिन् She saw them embrace at the bus station. She saw them embrace at the bus station. सबैतिर अथवा जताततै all over. जताततै फोहोर छ There is dirt all over the place. There is dirt all over the place. त्यो ठाउँमा जताततै फोहोर छ भनेको There is dirt all over the place. मसी डेस्कभरि पोखियो अथवा डेस्कमा सबैतिर पोखियो The ink spilled all over the desk. The ink spilled all over the desk. के त अथवा के भयो त अथवा के हुन्छ र So what? उनीहरूले हामीलाई नपत्याए के नै हुन्छ र So what if they don't believe us? So what if they don't believe us? हामी अलिकता ढिलो भएर के भयो त? So what if we're a little late? So what if we're a little late? साथी, companion, साथ दिने मान्छे अथवा वस्तुलाई पनि companion नै हो। उनी एक रमाइलो साथी थिइन्। She was a pleasant companion. She was a pleasant companion. कुकुर एक विश्वासिलो साथी हो। A dog is a faithful companion. A dog is a faithful companion. Faithful, विश्वासिलो. A dog is a faithful companion. यदि सम्भव छ भने अथवा सम्भव भए, if possible. सम्भव भए मेरो घरमा आऊ. If possible, come to my house. If possible, come to my house. सम्भव भएमा म तिमीलाई मद्दत गर्नेछु. I'll help you if possible. I'll help you if possible. यदि सम्भव छ भने मेरो लागि यो गरिदेऊ. If possible, do this for me. If possible, do this for me. सम्भव भएमा म यो शुक्रबार आउनेछु. I will come this Friday if possible. I will come this Friday if possible. सम्भव भए चाँडै घर आउनु. Come home early if possible. Come home early if possible. यो च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासलाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. अब हामी अगाडि बढौं. Let's move forward. कम हुन थाल्नु अथवा हल्का हुँदै जानु. Ease off. अन्ततः वर्षा कम हुन थाल्यो. At last the rain began to ease off. At last the rain began to ease off. अर्को पनि हेरौं. सुई लगाएपछि उनको दुखाइ कम हुन थाल्यो. After the injection, her pain began to ease off. After the injection, her pain began to ease off. छुटकारा पाउनु अथवा हटाउनु. Do away with. हामीले सबै सामाजिक विकृतिहरू हटाउनै पर्छ. We must do away with all social evils. We must do away with all social evils. अर्को पनि मैले उनलाई छोड्ने निर्णय गरेको छु अथवा उनीबाट छुटकारा पाउने निर्णय गरेको छु. I have decided to do away with her. I have decided to do away with her. Jump at, खुसीले तुरुन्त मान्नु अथवा हत्तनपत्त स्वीकार गर्नु. उनले हत्तनपत्त प्रस्ताव स्वीकार गरिन्. She jumped at the proposal. She jumped at the proposal. यात्रा गर्ने मौकालाई मैले खुसीले तुरुन्त माने. I jumped at the chance to go on a trip. I jumped at the chance to go on a trip. बेरोजगार, jobless. म अहिले बेरोजगार छु. I am jobless at the moment. At the moment भनेको अहिले, यस समयमा. मलाई बेरोजगार मान्छे हुन मन लाग्दैन. I don't like to be a jobless person. I don't like to be a jobless person. Be sure to like and share this video. कण्ठस्थ याद हुनु, know by heart. मलाई यो पाठ कण्ठस्थ याद छ. I know this lesson by heart. I know this lesson by heart. कण्ठस्थ पार्नु, learn by heart. यसलाई कण्ठस्थ पार. Learn this by heart. Learn this by heart. कुनै पनि अवस्थामा अनि अथवा कुनै हालतमा. In any case. म तिमीलाई कुनै हालतमा जान दिने छैन. I will not allow you to go in any case. I will not allow you to go in any case. तिमीले जुनसुकै अवस्थामा पनि यो गर्नै पर्छ. You have to do it in any case. You have to do it in any case. बरालिनु, goof around. आफ्नो साथीहरूसँग बरालिएर हिँड्न छोड. Stop goofing around with your friends. Stop goofing around with your friends. बरालिन छोड र केही काम गर. Stop goofing around and do something. Stop goofing around and do something. निपुण, दक्ष, proficient. He's proficient at his job. He's proficient at his job. म एक दक्ष चालक हुँ. I'm a proficient driver. I'm a proficient driver. She's proficient in 2 languages. She's proficient in 2 languages. What are you proficient at? तल कमेन्टमा यसको उत्तर लेखिदिनुहोस् है. I am proficient at अथवा I am proficient in ... आजलाई यति नै. Take care. Have a good day.